And welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a social media post from Etsy Shop Manager in 2026. If you want to create a social media post directly from your Etsy dashboard, here's exactly how to do it step by step. Now, before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to set up your Etsy store or shop. You're just gonna go to your web browser or your mobile device and make sure to download the Etsy app, or you can access the website like this and make sure to log in with your account or sign in if you don't have an account already. Once you sign in, you're going to click on your profile icon, and from this drop down menu, you're going to click on Become a Seller. Now, once you click on the Become a Seller option, you're going to click on the Shop Manager or like this, and then you're going to finish setting up your account by entering the shop preferences, the shop's name, and how you get paid, and the billing infos, and your shop security. Now, once you finish setting all that up, second thing is to create a social media post on Etsy. Now to do that, you're just gonna go to Etsy.com and sign into your seller account. And after that, you're gonna click on the shop manager. Let's go back here. This is the shop manager. You're gonna click here. Now, when you finish setting up your account and you enter your payment details, your credit card informations, all the informations about your shop, you're going to be able to access your shop manager. Once you access it, you're going to click on the marketing, and then you're going to choose social media. From here, you're going to choose social accounts to connect an account. Then when you're ready to create a post, you're going to click and select create a post. After that, you're going to select the type of post you want to create, then choose next. And also add images and a caption. Make sure to select networks you want to share your post with and choose posts and continue. Then you're going to click on done. Now to create a social media post on Etsy seller app, you can select the more on the navigation bar, and under the marketing, select social media. Then you're going to select which listing you want to share, which are filtered by most favorites and least views and most views. Then you're going to select share listing and choose one image or video from your listing to share. Then you're going to select next. After that, you're going to select share, and this will save your listing link to your device clipboard, and choose which social media account you want to share your listing on, and finish posting your listing. Then remember to include the listing link you copied earlier. And that's it. That's how you create a social media post directly from Etsy Shop Manager. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.